Hey friends, if you encounter the error Windows cannot start new hardware devices code 49, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. But before the resolutions, let us discuss the cause. The cause is that the system hive has exceeded its maximum size and new devices cannot work until the size is reduced. But let me tell you what it means. It means that a few of these devices are problematic and you need to have them reinstalled. Why do you have to reinstall them? Because they are bloating the system size. So here's what you can do. There is a command de vmgr underscore show underscore non-present underscore devices is equal to 1. Copy this. Press the Windows key R button together. Type the command cmd and hit enter to open the command prompt window. Paste it here and hit enter. Now this will show the devices. Search for device manager and open it. Click on view, select show devices. Now check for all these problematic devices. Let's say that the camera was unavailable. It will show in a lighter color. I mean, it's showing in full color right now. This part integrated camera and cameras will be lighter. Right click on it and then select uninstall device. Click on uninstall. Make sure that the device is uninstalled. Click on action and then click on scan for hardware changes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.